Want to invest like the pros without guesswork? Meet Dub. This is the first regulated copy trading platform in America. With Dub, you can copy the trades of top investors. Think politicians like Nancy Pelosi, hedge fund legends, or even savvy traders on X. All in real time, same price, same moves. Here's how it works. Pick a portfolio you like, say a hedge fund manager's winning strategy, hit copy, invest as little as $100, and boom. When they trade, you trade. It's that simple. No more picking stocks blind. Dub gives you the tools, real-time performance, risk scores, and a community of ideas. It's like Instagram for investing. Got skills? Build your own portfolio and let others copy you. Share your strategy, grow your following, and maybe even become the next big name in the trading game. Start with a 7-day free trial, full access, no limits, and plans just start at $9.99 a month or $89.99 a year. Regulated by the SEC, you're insured up to $500,000, so your money's safe. Stop guessing and start copy trading. Download Dub today and trade like the best, because with Dub, you're not just investing in stocks, you're investing in people. I hope you guys liked this review. Please like and share and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.